Hello everyone. Today you will learn the correct pronunciation of these two commonly mispronounced words, their meanings, and how you can use them in everyday life. So let's start. The first word is government. The first syllable is gov, and you stress the first syllable as this mark suggests. Then earn, there is soft r sound, and in the end, meant. It's not meant, it's meant. Because you see, this is schwa sound, which is like a. Government. Say it with me. Government. Government. I'm exaggerating the sound a bit. In everyday life, you will say it like that. Government. And the next word is regime. Re, as you say it in day. Regime. Here the stress is on the second syllable. Regime. Government, regime. Here we are stressing the first syllable in government, and in regime we are stressing the second syllable. Government represents the people in power right now, while regime is the type or system of rule, such as democracy or dictatorship. Now let's understand what's the difference between the two. Government is a practical system that runs the country, makes policies, and enforces laws. It can change often through elections or political changes. It is considered legitimate when elected democratically and following the law. It's a neutral word, simply means that the group that governs a country. However, regime is a broader idea about how power and authority are organized in a country. It usually lasts longer and stays stable even when governments change. It may be criticized if it is authoritarian or not democratic. It often suggests a specific style of rule, sometimes authoritarian or oppressive. In short, government means the people who oversee running the country right now, while regime refers to the system or structure of power that remains in place over time. For example, a country might have a new government after an election, but the regime, such as democratic system, can stay the same. Here are example sentences. The government introduced a new law to improve public health care. After the election, the country formed a new government. This shows that governments can change when the new leaders are elected. The regime controlled the media and limited freedom of speech. Even when governments changed, the political regime of the country remained the same. This means that the overall system of the power stayed the same even though the leaders changed. So I hope you understand the difference between the two and you can pronounce them well as well. Let me know. If you can make some sentences using these words, you can write those sentences in the comments and also tell me how did you like this video. See you.